What if I will tell you that the strategy I will present you in the next 5 minutes will make you a successful trader? In this video, I will show you my 1 minute RSI trading strategy, which I personally use to trade the major forex pairs like Euro USD and GBP USD. And gold, of course. Also, this strategy is perfect for swing traders who want to make additions to their already profitable position. Sound fair enough? Hello everyone and welcome again into my place where with each new video I try to bring you one step closer to successful trading and to keep you profitable. My name is Ivailo and this all is Elite Trading Zone. So I want you guys to make your money as quickly as possible. I just don't want to waste your time with unnecessary talk. This RSI strategy will blow your mind. Let's jump right in. Alright, I have a completely unique chart on gold. Let's just add this RSI indicator. Go to the Indicators tab and search for RSI Relative Strength Index. Now you have to adjust the settings exactly like mine. To do this, go to this circle, settings, and go to style. Uncheck RSI base level upper, lower Bollinger Band, and overbought and oversold. Also make RSI line the second level, okay? And that's all we have to do. Now your RSI indicator will look exactly like mine. Who don't know what RSI is, click this video or I leave a link down in the description. Now that we've set up the indicator, it's time to explain the strategy. This strategy is based on the RSI trend. As you know, price makes lows and highs. Exactly, high, low, high, low, high. Okay? The RSI diagram also forms such low and highs. Exactly. High, low, high, low, high, low, high. Here the idea is this. When we see the RSI making consistently lower highs, we should run a trend line along the highs. And when the price breaks above this trend line, we should go low. Of course, the price on the chart should be bullish. There's another rule here. We must have at least 3 support points to say that this trend line is a valid trend line. If we have only 2 touches, again we have a signal, but this signal will not be as heavy. So if you are a beginner, I recommend you to trade only when you have seen at least 3 touches. Let's just put this part into execution. As you can see on gold 5 minute time frame, high, low, as high. Until the bulls hold this zone, we should looking only for one position because we're in a bullish trade. And as you can see, RSI oscillator start to make consistently lower highs. Okay? So to see this clear, double click on the RSI oscillator zone. Okay, we start to mark the 3 tops of the RSI oscillator. And then we take our trend line and put it exactly at these 3 highs. Okay? So our initial touch, second touch, and our confirmation touch for this trend line. At least 3 touch. Notice how clearly we have 3 rejects from this trend line. This is what we want to see. So shortly after that, we have a strong breakthrough above this trend line. Okay, then another double click and we see on the chart that we have this big green bullish candle. Here obviously the correction is over and the trend up continues. We go long on the close of this green bullish bar, okay? And now the most important part, we don't put our stop loss below this signal bar, we put our stop loss below the swing low, which is exactly right here, okay? And then minimum 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, okay? So minimum of 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio with this 1 minute scalping strategy. And so a little by little and a little by little, the price starts to climb up until it hits our take profit. Here I want to go back to the RSI, double click on the RSI and show you something else, which is like an additional confirmation of the trade. After we have already broken above this trend line, okay, this is our first candle and this is our second candle. The second candle goes above the last lower high on the RSI and close above it, okay? And close above it. This is like an additional confirmation. So first of all, we have a bullish trend on 1 minute time frame on gold, okay? Then on the RSI oscillator, we have a bearish trend because they are making consistently lower highs, okay? But then when we broke above this high, this becomes our higher high. That means that on our chart we have a bullish trend, and on our RSI oscillator we have another bullish trend. Two bullish trend, additional confirmation, profit. This is a good sign. Now that I have shown you how to enter a long position, let me show you how to enter into a short position. Okay, a little further, the trend changed from bullish into bearish as the last bottom is broken. After the break, the price goes up for a correction. On the RSI, double click on the RSI, we notice how the price starts to make higher lows consistently. Let's mark them. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now let's roll our trend line from this wall. Okay, now first touch, initial touch, second touch, and third touch, confirmation touch, and then 1 and 2 more touches. A valid trend line. When the bears break this trend line, this will be our signal that the correction is over and the price will continue its downtrend movement. Here, attention. First, price breaks below the trend line, but this break is not by much, so we have to wait for at least one more candle. After a while, the break is definitive. Okay, double click on the RSI. So here, as you can see, first one shooting star, then a big bearish trend bar followed by another one. Okay, so one bearish, two bearish, third bearish. This is our signal. Just let me clear all these drawings. We go short on this bearish trend bar. Okay, and now, if you notice correctly, this could be a double top, okay? Okay, our stop loss above the previous swing high, and another one, risk to reward ratio minimum 1 to 2. And after a couple of bars, you see that our take profit is hit. And for additional confirmation of our trade, we go to the RSI, double click on it, and as you can see, when we broke through the last higher low, this is our second confirmation for our successful trade. In these 2 days, we have successful 2 trades. If we have risked 2% of our capital, our account will be 8% up in just 2 days. That's why I love RSI. I show you a few other trades quickly. Okay, bearish trend line on 1 minute time frame. 1, 2, 3 touches on the RSI oscillator. Break below the trend line. Okay. Entry, stop loss above the recent swing high, target 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and just waiting, one profitable trade. 1, 2, 3 touches, break above this trend line, entry, stop loss below, target 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, hit and take profit. Okay, bullish trend, 1, 2, 3 touches on the RSI oscillator, break above it, entry, stop loss below the swing low, target 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, profitable trade. Bullish trend, 1, 2, 3 touches, break above it, entry, stop loss below the swing low, target 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, but this time hit it stop loss. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades in a row, we have only one with hit stop loss. So this means that 80% win rate, successful rate. That's all for today, guys. If you want to do more videos like this, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe with the bell. Share your results in the comments below so I can know I'm helping you with my videos. If you want to master RSI divergences trading, just click this video and enjoy watching. If I will watch with you guys, till the next time. Good banana.